For the second day in a row, the famously reserved former Speaker of the Illinois House, Mike Madigan, is testifying in his own federal corruption trial.
WGN's Mike Lowe has more on today's testimony.
Mike Madigan appeared to have two goals today. One, to distance himself from his longtime confidant, Mike McClain. And two, to tell jurors directly that he had never abused his office. The stunning twist was front page news. The Speaker breaks his silence as Mike Madigan takes the stand in his federal corruption trial.
Good morning. How do you feel today?
For a second straight day, former Illinois House Speaker Mike Madigan entered the Dirksen Federal Courthouse seeking to make his own case directly to the jury of 8 women and 4 men, who ultimately will decide his fate. In court papers, federal prosecutors described Madigan as the head of a criminal enterprise and accuse him of using his powerful public position for personal gain. He is charged with bribery, racketeering, wire fraud, official misconduct, and other crimes. A 2022 indictment outlines bribery schemes at ComEd and AT&T and pressure campaigns to secure business for his personal law firm in exchange for official acts. In U.S. District Judge John Robert Blakey's packed 12th floor courtroom, Madigan answered questions from his own attorney about his co-defendant, Michael McClain. Madigan's defense attorney, Dan Collins, asked the former speaker about this email in which McClain wrote to then ComEd CEO Anne Pramaggiore about ComEd using a Madigan ally for legal work. Quote, "I know the drill and so do you. If you do not get involved, he will go to our friend." On the stand, Madigan sought to distance himself from his longtime advisor. Collins said, quote, "Did you instruct Mike McClain to express this sentiment to ComEd on your behalf?" Madigan said, "No." "Did you know he was expressing this sentiment to ComEd on your behalf?" "No." Madigan gestured toward the jury as he spoke, also discussing accusations that he tried to secure business for his law firm by supporting legislation to transfer state-owned land in Chinatown to the city of Chicago so developers could build a high-rise building, a deal that was engineered by Chicago alderman turned government mole Danny Solis. Solis suggested a quid pro quo. Madigan testified, quote, "He had gotten the message from me that I was not going to be involved in a quid pro quo." To put a fine point on it, Collins asked Madigan directly if he was corrupt. Collins said, "Have you ever traded your public office for private gain?" Madigan answered, "No." The courthouse is closed tomorrow for the National Day of Mourning to observe the funeral of former President Jimmy Carter. This trial, however, is expected to last until the end of the month. Reporting at the Dirksen Federal Courthouse, Mike Lowe, WGN News.